How do I learn ethical hacking? If you are really serious about pursuing career in computer system securities, forget all about ethical hacking now. Ethical hacking is a gimmick designed to attract, rip off, and make people feel they have learned something when they have not. Most people think the security hacking is a specific course or thing that they can learn separately when it is really not. Security hacking skill is an art form that is developed by long term practice, learning, and hard work. It is not something that can be easily be learned out from a textbook and a course. Sure, they will teach you to use a few tools and few concepts and few methods that has been outdated for maybe 20 years, but to really learn the art you need to master how a computer system works. Imagine a guy who knows everything about a car. He knows how the engine is made and works. He knows the transmissions. He knows the suspension systems. He knows why each screw in the car is there and what changing it can do to the car. Now, if he tries, he can open the door without triggering the alarm. There is no question of it. He can hotwire the car, change its engine's performance, modify almost anything, and even remove every security feature in it. This is how being a hacker feel like, being so good and knowledgeable about the system that you can practically modify an aspect of it to your needs. It's not just getting over security, but changing stuff, creating new stuff, and even inventing new technologies. It all comes down to how well you understand the system. To become a good hacker, you need to start learning how a computer works rather than how to hack into a system. You need to start with basic programming and scripting, learn it well, and understand the possibilities, then move on to HTTP servers such as Apache and HTTP by itself. Learn how servers handle requests, how message goes from one side to another. How is the security stuff implemented? Where is the password stored? Can it be read? Starting there, it is a very long journey to becoming the next best hacker. You slowly learn to think like a computer and understand the system even better. The more you understand how a security is implemented and what are its weaknesses, the better you will be at exploiting it. Ethical hacking courses that are provided today are more like a course to hot wiring. There is no guarantee you'll ever get into the car. You'll never know what to do if the car has an alarm. You will never even know what to do if hot wiring do not work. So not it is your decision. There is no such thing as hacking or ethical hacking. It's an art that comes from the knowledge of the working of the machine. Learn it, build it, break it. Can hacking ever be ethical? Assume there is a plan to end all civilization, and that plan resides on a computer inside a secure corporation behind a non-profit organization's network. You are the only person who knows how to hack the system. If you don't, the plan executes and everything ends. Personally, I feel it one's responsibility and duty to stop this. Hacking for professional profits in interest of others is wrong. However, there are causes bigger than you and me. Thank you.